So today I'm going to be having a look at the Razer Lycosa Mirror Special Edition. So this is a backlit gaming keyboard, and the biggest difference, as far as I can tell, between the Lycosa and the Lycosa Mirror Special Edition is that it has a high gloss mirror finish on the hyper response keys. Okay, backlight illumination, macro programmable gaming keys, that's very cool. Let's have a look at the back and we'll see what they are listing in terms of specs. So it is a plastic key top. Okay, it is a 3 simultaneous key presses is the anti-ghosting features that it has. Oh no, this is stupid. I'm reading the versus a standard laptop one. Okay, no, this is a high gloss mirror finish key top, selective anti-ghosting gaming cluster. Okay, so the anti-ghosting gaming cluster is around all of the gaming keys that you would typically use. And you can see one of the backlight features that they have around that gaming cluster is that you can backlight only the gaming keys, like the WASD. Okay, other cool stuff. They have touch panel media keys, which is kind of like what they have on the Mako speakers. It's all like touch sensitive. It's very cool. And then they have an integrated USB extension port, earphone out, microphone in jacks. That's always kind of nice to see as well. All right, what else do we have here? 1000 hertz ultra pulling. Okay, that's enough of the box. Let's open this thing up and have a look, because ultimately that's what matters more than anything else about a keyboard, is how good it feels when you're trying to type and or game on it. So let's get this baby open. I love Razer's packaging, like just the black look with the green accents on it and the shiny box. It's very nice. Anyway, yeah, see this? This is what I'm talking about. This is awesome packaging, awesome presentation, okay? You got your Razer logo. So let's see what we have included here. First of all, the Razer guy is saying this thing is really good. And then we have the accessory package here. So for gamers, by gamers. Let's get this open and find out what we have inside. All right, if I could pull this stuff out, then that would work a lot better. So we have a certificate of authenticity in both English and French. We have the quick start guide, which shows you how to plug a keyboard into a computer. Okay, that's awesome. Then we have the master guide, which is a much longer version of how to plug a keyboard into a computer. Probably shows you how to configure the software, all the little things like that. Tells you all the little cool stuff about this keyboard in English and French. Very nice. We have a little cloth for cleaning your keyboard. That's really good because I guarantee this thing's a fingerprint magnet. A couple of Razer stickers and a Razer product catalog. So it's got a bunch of the other stuff that Razer sells. Very cool. All right, let's get this mid plate out here and let's have a look at the keyboard. Wow, this is like a huge box. How am I supposed to get at this? Okay, so in terms of plugs, here we go. We have one USB interface for the keyboard itself, one for the hub, okay, or the extension, and then we have a headphone and microphone jack that go around to the back of your computer. And this is a really neat feature that I really like to see. I mean, what makes a keyboard a gaming keyboard unless it has something that optimizes it for a gaming experience? So it means that you can take your headset and you can plug it around into your keyboard so that it's not hanging down across your keyboard into the back of the computer. Very, very handy. So here's the back of the keyboard. Let's look at that first. There is nothing exceptional about it whatsoever. You've got a couple of these tilty things. Awesome. Okay, let's go around to the front. So that is the Lycosa mirror. Now I have to confess, I was expecting more of a mirror and less of a dark mirror, but this is really nice looking too. So it's got a highly, highly glossy black finish over all of the keys. You can see through down to where the backlight comes from. Okay, so that's a clear spot on every single key. And in terms of typing, it's not very loud actually. I'm gonna stop talking for a second so that you can get some idea how loud the keys are. In terms of comfort, it's hard to gauge very quickly, but they have a very sensible layout to this keyboard. They haven't done anything stupid that would interfere with gaming, like shortening your left shift key, or that would interfere with typing, like shortening the backspace key over here. So they've got a proper layout, and I think I'm pretty much done talking about the keyboard. Why don't we do just a couple more close-up shots? I'll get the cameraman to kind of have a look down the keyboard here so you can see just how shiny this thing is. I mean, check out my hand in the reflection. That is one shiny keyboard surface. Thank you for checking out my unboxing of the Razer Lycosa Mirror Gaming Keyboard.